Hey everyone, it's Cece here, and in today's very quick tutorial I am going to show you how to create these cute little pom-poms, and all you're going to need is some yarn and your hand. Okay, so just find any kind of wool that you want to use to make your pom-pom, and you'll need to cut a long length of this yarn, which is going to be used to tie the pom-pom together and also hang it up with. So the length of this piece will depend on where you're hanging it and how long you need it to hang. And then what we're going to do is grab our hand. Now I'm just going to create a really small pom-pom, so I'm just going to use the first 2 fingers. However, you can use maybe 3 or 4 fingers and that will give you a bigger size pom-pom. So what you need to do is grab your end and hold it just at your fingers and then start winding around your fingers like so. Now what you need to do as well is just create a little bit of a gap in between your 2 fingers, and that's so we can get the string in later to tie this up. So just wrapping around and around, and the more wraps that you do, the thicker the pom-pom will be. I like to do maybe around 100 wraps. Alright, that will do. I'm just going to cut this little knot off. Okay. So now you just grab this long piece of string and you want to feed it in between that gap in your fingers. And then wrap it all the way around and just pull it nice and tight. You want to try and find the center as well, so your 2 ends meet up for when you hang it later. And then you just want to create a knot. At this stage you can kind of slide the strings off your fingers just carefully, and then pull on that string really tight to get it knotted as tightly as possible. Now with yarn, if you pull it too tight you may snap the string, so just be careful with this step. Perfect. So now we just need to grab a pair of scissors and cut all our loops. Gonna go looking to see if you've missed any. There's one in there. And you can see already we have a really cute shaggy pom-pom. And now to make this a bit neater, all you need to do is just go around with your scissors and give it a nice trim. Now be careful you don't trim the cords you're hanging the pom-pom with. So it's probably best to just hold them to the side while you do this. Now you can keep working on this to make it as neat and as round as you like, but you get the idea, and here I have a really cute little shaggy pom-pom ready to hang up. Just wanted to finally show you how round you can make these pom-poms if you take a bit of extra time to shape them with your scissors. You can see it's a very cute little round, neat pom-pom now. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoy making your own pom-poms at home.